Today we will see the rectangle. Just type REC. This is a rectangle. Okay. Otherwise, just escape. You need to escape to go out of the command. Go to the draw palette and rectangle. Okay. Here we have few options: chamfer, elevation, fillet, thickness and width. Chamfer means you will not have the corners, and also fillet means, but fillet means the corner will have like a circular part. Okay, first I will select and chamfer distance 5, again 5. You can enter different distance also. Specify the first point and then dimension. Now you can provide a dimension also. I'm just clicking it randomly. Okay, see, this is the chamfer. I'm just clicking it. This is the chamfer, and just measure this 5. This is 5. Chamfer distance means this 5 and vertical and horizontal distance. Now just to measure these inline distance, I'm using the which I have used aligned. Okay, the 5 distance is vertical and horizontal distance. This is a chamfer. Now next is elevation. Okay, just specify the elevation of the rectangle. I am using 20. Again same. Okay, so just specify the first point and chamfer. Chamfer is still there, so you need to go again for a rectangle. Made the chamfer 0, 0. Okay, now I'm going for a fillet. Use the fillet radius 6. See this, you can check the radius 6. Okay, now what if you want to draw a rectangle with specific dimension? If you don't want chamfer, elevation, fillet, thickness and width, just click. Okay, now first make a fillet 0, click first corner, go the dimension. Now specify the length 100 and width is 200. This is your rectangle. Okay, now next option is I will take the thickness. Give the thickness is 100. Again first and second. Okay, here we have area also. I want the rectangle of area 600. Length I need 30. Now how will you identify the thickness? Just go to this home like tab and see the thickness. Now you will say that all the rectangles having thickness. This is why, because I have earlier stated thickness. So now I am going again, making thickness 0. Okay, now you can see. Understand? Yeah, this is, just go, just practice this commands every day 5 minutes and you will learn AutoCAD very easily. And please check out this channel for a few more videos. If you want some other if you want to learn some other commands, please let